Namaskar. Ashish Mittal again from Ars. One more bed design in teak wood, white and gold paint, and this is along with the three other units I've shown you. So this is total four bed sets that we are sending to Kerala. And the work again in this unit also, the real royal concept that you're looking for, that you love in our furniture, you can see here. The back height is 6.5 feet. They're high back beds because when we have big rooms, the bedrooms are bigger. Generally, a normal height beds look very small, and it doesn't match the aura, the interiors of your room. Thus, a high back unit like this looks very beautiful and nice as well. The front is 28 inches, and the size is king size, 72 by 78 inches mattress area as per Indian standards. This comes with along with two side tables. The size is 21 by 15, height is 22 inches. Now about the work part, as you see here, this one is without storage. There's no storage in this one, and the heavy highlighting of gold, front part and the back part, and a nice fabric with the quilting, and that's the modern theme that we have in beds. A nice as well as very comfortable concept for beds when we have cushion like this. This cushion provides additional support to the back as well as the wood area that you have on the sides is complemented by the colors of the cushion. So such nice, lovable colors like this you're looking at looks very good in a bedroom. Generally, we don't prefer very dark colors in a bedroom, and it's a very logical thing also because bedroom is a place for relaxing, and dark colors generally are not preferred when you are in a relaxing mood, and such colors are good for a relaxing mood. The same unit can be done in storage also if you require, and if you don't want without storage, this is the unit. With side tables or without side tables, that is your choice. With this kind of unit, this kind of heavy units, your rooms should be spacious. In small rooms, it would look too bulky, and as the concept is, as the design is, you may have seen such type of units in catalogs where the software generated images are posted. This is an actual unit out of the catalog. So the picture comes from a catalog and we convert them to reality here. The work is the work of artisans, no machine work, no CNC work, hand drawn, handcrafted, the woodwork, the paint work, the cushion work, everything is done by hand with small tools. And finally, such outputs, such masterpieces are created and brought in front of you. In the past, more than 400 plus videos I've shown you, we have shown you so many designs in varied colors, varied fabrics, concepts, designs, and we are adding more to it every day because we are getting so much love and appreciation from across India and outside India also, and we are delivering to most of the places. The kind of work we are doing is not that easily visible in actual videos. You may have seen one video here and there for a clipping or some TikTok video for some Chinese person, some Chinese manufacturer that are available online. But at length, with explanation, with the details of carving, the work, the wood type, everything, I'm giving you here. This is in solid teak wood. All the work that you see on the front part is wood. This is not just the pasting thing, like the moldings are pasted on the MDF. It's not that. It's a solid piece of wood. Even inside the cushion area is not hollow. There is wood inside. And we believe and we provide the best we can with the complete wood structures like this. Now, generally, when you have such big units, all the work that you see are mostly done in MDF, and the pasting is done over it to get it the look. But here we don't do that. We provide it in solid teak wood. And once you have solid teak wood of this kind, this heavy structures, it's bound to be costly. Costly doesn't mean it is Italian costly. It is Indian costly, and it's not cheap. Obviously, we don't make cheap furniture. The kind of work we are doing is the artistic work, the work of artisans. No carpenter can even think of making this kind of unit. And artists love appreciation. So if you like our work, would request you to appreciate it or drop in a few comments. Let us know how we are doing. We are promoting our local art, art of our city Saharanpur, and taking it across the globe with the quality of arson. And people are trusting us, placing orders from all parts of the world, and we are making it and delivering it to everywhere. Any comments, any suggestions you have, I would be most happy to hear that. Please drop in a few comments. Let us know how is it. I would be very happy. Thank you so much.